If you are an existing Choice mutual fund investor and looking to invest in Choice Nifty 50 Index Fund NFO, here's the simple step-by-step guide to get started. Start by visiting choicemf.com. On the top right corner, click on Investor Login. You will be redirected to the investor portal. To log in, enter your PAN number and generate OTP. You can choose to receive the OTP on your registered mobile number or email ID. Enter the OTP and proceed. Once logged in, you will be able to see your existing investment details on the dashboard. To continue, go to the left menu. Click on Transact and select Purchase SIP. A form will appear on the screen. Since the investment is in an NFO, select New Scheme under Scheme Type. Keep the plan as Direct and Option as Growth. From the drop-down, select Choice Nifty 50 Index Fund Direct Plan Growth. You will now see 4 investment options. To invest through both lump sum and SIP, proceed with lump sum and register SIP option. Enter the lump sum investment amount 5,000 as a one-time investment. Select the purchase payment mode as UPI, as it is simple and convenient for amounts up to 1 lakh. Scroll down further. Since this is an existing investor, bank details will already be pre-filled. Under SIP mandate payment, select Register UPI Autopay. Enter your UPI ID in the VPA field. For the e-mandate amount, enter an amount equal to or higher than the SIP amount. Next, select the SIP frequency such as monthly. Enter the number of installments based on your investment duration. Select the SIP day, for example the first of every month. Then select the SIP start and end dates and enter the SIP amount, for example 500. Accept the terms and conditions and click on submit. You will now be taken to the purchase summary page. Review all the details carefully. Click on register UPI autopay and proceed. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number and email. Enter the OTP and submit. You will now be prompted to complete the UPI payment within 5 minutes. Open your UPI app and approve the mandate request by entering your UPI PIN. And that's it. Your lump sum investment and SIP registration in the Choice Nifty 50 Index Fund NFO are successfully completed.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully.